How's it going, YouTube? Tyler the Semi Mechanic here, guys. Guys, let's talk about what we got going today. So today I am repairing my 40-foot container that you see right behind me, but the locking handles, I should say, are bent. And they've got to the point where now it's very difficult to lock the container. So what I need to do is I need to cut them off, and then I need to straighten them and then modify them to reinstall them. So let me show you what we got going here. So as you can see here, this is incredibly bent to the, I guess, to the right. This should be straight, and it's sitting off to the right of the bar. Cut it out, and then I'm gonna have to try to bend it here, right in the middle, to make it straighter again. So let's get started. You can see all the melted steel that I need to clean up. Here's what the handle looks like. I'm gonna have to clean this up and weld it. I realized I forgot my grinding wheels in my other toolbox, so we're gonna have to improvise a little bit. But that's nothing new with making stuff work.
Alright guys, I'm getting this welded up with my Harbor Freight MIG welder. It did pretty good overall, but I definitely wish I would have had a stick welder for this because it was a real pain with this MIG. Now I'm just doing my best to get all my crappy welds cleaned up, and we'll get it back on. Alright guys, so I got back to the container handle and realized I forgot to clean out all the molten steel that was in the middle where the handle sits. So I got to clean that out right now. This is the pause of I messed up.
I put the handle on backwards.
I definitely didn't want to reinstall it backwards again, so I had to double check.
All right, guys, we got the door fixed. Let's go ahead and see how it works.
So the top of this container, guys, was smashed, and now the vertical bars do not sit properly. I had to grind out a bunch of steel on the bottom to even make this bar functional.
Prior to this, you couldn't even hardly get a lock on it. You had to basically force it shut with a pry bar, and hence why it's bent. And now it's fixed and works good for now. All right, guys, that's going to sum it up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to throw them in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, please shoot me a like and a subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you, guys.